I was hit by a drunk driver in downtown Atlanta. He had no license, he had no insurance. I spent a week in the hospital, so what recourse do I have to get my medical bills covered? And this comes to us from Walt. So, Carl, what recourse does Walt have in a situation like this?
Walt may be out of luck.
Oh, no.
If the car that hit him had no insurance, the driver had no license, then Walt will be left to go against whatever insurance coverage he has. And that would be where his uninsured motorist insurance comes to play. We've talked about that so many times on this show and about the fact that people simply don't understand the importance of uninsured motorist coverage. Your liability insurance protects your assets. Your uninsured motorist insurance protects your person. So if Walt was hit by a driver who had no insurance and Walt has uninsured motorist insurance that would apply, he can go against his own uninsured motorist coverage. And it goes to the point that Marty was making with the last caller. The lady who called and said the car doing 100 miles an hour demolished hers and her father's car. She could go against her collision coverage or against the carrier if she had uninsured motorist property damage. The difference is the collision coverage would have a deductible with it. The uninsured motorist insurance would not. So that's what she should do. And as to Walt, assuming he has an automobile and he has uninsured motorist insurance, then that would be his best recourse.
Okay.
If he doesn't have either, hopefully he's got major medical coverage and he can go to that source to get his bills paid.
That's got to be one of the worst feelings in the world, to have someone hit you and they have no coverage.
As a pedestrian, he's pretty much defenseless against an automobile, and as to somebody driving without a license, without insurance, that's why you try to protect yourself by buying adequate uninsured motorist insurance or major medical insurance.